Hello, my name is Carla Carnigan. I'm Director of Graduate Programs for the Dhillon School of Business, and I'm here today to talk to you about two of our graduate programs, our MSc in Management and our Health Services Management program. So let's start with the Master of Science in Management. As you can see in the word cloud on the left, we have several majors in it: marketing, international management, accounting, policy and strategy, finance, and human resources management and labor relations. What's the purpose of the program? To prepare you for research-oriented careers. That could be in consulting, government, industry, or not-for-profits. Or if you're interested in an academic career, it can give you the background to be an instructor or as a pathway to a PhD. Key skills from the program include learning how to do literature reviews, learning how to collect data, how to design research, how to analyze data, and writing. Key additional knowledge is in the important research findings and models in your particular discipline, whether that be policy and strategy, marketing, finance, accounting, or international management. This is a thesis-based program, small cohorts, can be full or part-time. You can do it in either Lethbridge or Calgary, and if you are a full-time student, there's funding available of up to $19,200 plus other additional funding opportunities. Some career opportunities across Canada. There was 3,500 jobs for people who graduate from this kind of program with an average salary of $91,000. We have the top employers over here on the right and some typical job titles. Across Alberta, there were 262 job postings in the last 12 months, average salary of $81,000. Again, key employers over here on the right and top job titles within Alberta. All right, let's talk a little bit about our programs in health services management, which include a graduate certificate and a master's degree. These programs really look at decision-making and leadership skills and knowledge within the healthcare sector. Program is to provide management ability for people who are practitioners in the healthcare sector or who are entry-level managers and want to increase their skills, as well as those who are managers outside of healthcare who want to transition into healthcare management. The program is offered from our Calgary campus. It's offered in conjunction with the Faculty of Health Sciences, so it's Dhillon School of Business and Health Sciences together offering this within the School of Graduate Studies. This is a cohort program, so you do it with a small group of people that you get to know quite well. It's intended specifically for working professionals, so you can keep working. The program is part-time. It's offered partially online that you do on your own time, and then there's some face-to-face sessions, typically 4 weekends each term. You can transition from the graduate certificate into the master's. All courses you successfully completed in the certificate can be applied for credit in the master's program. The master's degree takes 24 months to complete. The graduate certificate takes 20 months to complete. Here's the courses you take within the program. Those highlighted are the ones taken only within the master's. As you can see, you do things like organization design, services design, accounting, finance, HR, social marketing, strategy, power and politics, negotiations, international systems, change management, quality management. And then if you're in the master's program, you also do a capstone writing at the end that's really intended to apply everything you've learned to a particular problem or opportunity in the healthcare setting. Job postings in the last 12 months across the country, there were 213 for graduates of this kind of program. Average advertised salary, $93,000. You can see here on the right, top employers that were hiring within this particular area and some typical job titles. Within Alberta, there's been a 20% increase in specialized middle management occupations, and again, some typical job titles for people who are graduates of this kind of program. Application deadlines for the MSc apply by February 1st of next year. For the Health Services Management programs, apply by May 15th. The link you go to apply is right here. And if you have more questions, please click on the link below the video and we can talk more about whatever you would be interested in. Thank you very much.